Are you tired of those boring Sudoku that only have numbers? We have the solution for you. With Sudoku Creative, you can create Sudokus with images as well. Sudoku Creative has all the benefits of normal Sudokus, such as no duplicates, only one solution per puzzle, etc. It also brings something new to the table, the ability to use different symbols. Normal Sudokus are created with the numbers 1 through 9, or 1 through 6, 1 through 25, depending on the size of Sudoku you're creating. Usually for this module though, it's only 1 through 9. Sudoku Creative offers something new, the ability to use other symbols as well. So let's look at them. First of all, you have Roman numerals. They're cool. If you're a history buff and a Sudoku lover, these are perfect for you. Which sounds like a really specific overlap, but it's oddly enough a larger segment of the population than you'd expect. Second of all, we have letters. This option should not be confused with the Wordoku puzzles. That's a different module. In Wordoku puzzles, it's possible to create a Sudoku with a word solution. In this module, the letters will all be random. Sure, a word could appear if you give the right custom letters, but there's no guarantee. This is just a Sudoku. Instead of numbers, it's letters. And of course, there's the final option, which is the most interesting one. Using your own images or clip art, you can create Sudokus with pictures. The standard options is just these dots. But if you have your own images, you can easily add them to the software. Simply click on a little magnifying glass and you can select your own images. Let's grab a few images. Alternatively, you can just click on the image you want changed and select a different image. Right now, the images that we are using are a combination of our marine tile set and some other images that were drawn specifically for an upcoming module. So let's check next preview. And if we see only the solution, this is how it looks. Suddenly, with this, you can create a Sudoku for any niche or genre. Are you a dentist? Create a Sudoku with toothbrush, teeth, toothpaste, etc. Animal lover? And in all sorts of animals. Botanist? Use flowers instead. Right now we are using part of the marine tile kit. These images are PNGs, so they are valid to be used in here. The only limit is your imagination. The module is available on our website, BookPublisherTools.com, and the link is in the description below. As always, like and subscribe for more puzzle tips.